What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're taking a look at Bitcoin on the daily, on the 4 hourly, maybe some lower time frames. Check out some major levels. We had huge volatility here to the downside. We are defending this $40,400 major level that we talked about yesterday. If we start losing some major support levels that I'm going to mention in today's episode, it's not going to be looking good for Bitcoin. If we take a look at the dollar index, it is absolutely flying, as you can see, just about to enter a parabolic run, as you can see, with these aggressive higher lows, and this potentially will not be good for Bitcoin if we see the dollar index gaining a lot of strength. Let's dive in straight into the episode and analyze Bitcoin. Hi there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. New to the channel, make sure to subscribe daily to here on Bitcoin Crypto. I also do live streams to connect with the community. I'm not a financial advisor, do not buy or sell anything that I say. And if you do so, do your own research, guys. Just a quick reminder, if this video gets over 2,500 likes and you comment down below, you are eligible for a giveaway in Bitcoin. Let's dive in and let's just go here with the daily chart, okay? Nothing much here to add on the daily, but something that I wanted to point out here, we did have a major daily level, okay? Just remember a few days ago when we did drop all the way down to that 38.4K levels, we did have a massive big wick to the downside, then recovered here nicely. We did have an opening and a close here just around about 39.6K range, okay? To be exact, it's at $39,670. We tapped that daily here, as you can see, to perfection. So if I just go to the 1 hourly, you can see that that daily level has been tapped and just had a massive big wick to the upside. Look at this, guys, to the exact dollar. Absolutely insane sometimes how these daily levels work, okay? So just something that I wanted to point out there. Just tap the daily, and just that could have been a quick little scalp there, but just wanted to point that out on the daily. Now let's zoom in here on the 4 hourly, okay? Analyze the situation. Look at this bump and run scenario that we have been talking about, okay? Now, of course, we got the back pattern, but I don't want to talk about any of that anymore. We've been talking about this last week. Let's analyze the situation, zooming in what is happening right now on the chart. So we do have this bump and run scenario that this is acting as support, but you know, insanely crazy how it is acting as support here very nicely. Now, I am out of my positions from 39K levels. I am looking to enter some new trades, okay? Why am I not in a trade yet? Because we are hitting major support. Because this needs a little bit of more consolidation. This is the moment where the bears can absolutely, you know, destroy the bulls' support levels and continue to the downside. This is why we can analyze, we can take a look at the levels where we could potentially get rejected or bounce from. This is a bouncing area for me, but am I going to enter right now? No, I need a little bit of confirmation. What type of confirmation? I need a consolidation. I need to see the bears getting massive rejection here, the bulls fighting and defending this level with major wicks here and actually getting that consolidation, so we know that they are potentially losing steam and that we could get a big major bounce and continue to the upside for my potential target of 44K levels, okay, which is all the way up here from this bump and run scenario. It is also the major target from the back pattern, the bullish back that we have been talking about for the last week, okay, the harmonic pattern. So let's see if we are going to manage to defend this range, and I think we can. Reason one is a big spike on the VPVR from the volume traded for the last, 10-15 days. We got a big spike there. We are seeing that reaction. The price action is reacting to this level, as you can see, closing a 4 hourly candle well above the $40,400, and now we are just seeing, this small volatility. Now, when we see these kind of consolidation, there is a possibility that we might potentially come and retest these lows. If I jump in the 15-minute chart, okay, the price of BTC does like to retest the lows. On the 15-minute, it looks great. Look at this. Big massive wick to hit the daily level, back up again. So let's just go to the 1 minute chart and analyze here the situation. We got a big massive drop, okay, from the drop that we did have early this morning. Okay, it was late last night. Let's zoom in here. I mean, the volume was absolutely insane to the downside, but we did get a big volume here with this wick, also with the recovery, as you can see on the chart. Now, there is a possibility that the price action of BTC wants to kind of retest these levels, and this is round in between 39.7 and 39 and 40k levels. Okay, we could see, you know, a slightly higher low hitting that range. So a potential retest from this range is very possible. Let's see if we can manage to defend, create a kind of a double bottom with a higher low here, and then potentially continue to the upside. Now I want to talk about the sponsor segment of this video. I want to talk about Margix trading platform. They are gaining in volume and popularity every single week. Now, before we go through the incredible features that they do have, I want to talk about the bonus. If you use the link down below in the description, you get a $50 bonus to pay trading fees. And if you deposit 0.004 plus BTC, which is in between $200 and $300 approximately, you can get an additional $50 worth of bonus to trade with on top of that same deposit. Now, they have a combined liquidity of 12 plus exchanges in one place, so you do not need to worry about the liquidity. They have plenty. They have a bank-grade multi-layer security. No personal details are required, so no KYC. You can sign up, okay, just with an email, a password, and in less than 2 minutes, you are ready to go. Now, once you sign up with the link in the description, this will take you to this interface. As you can see, they have the trading view chart, and you have trade, wallet, settings, referral, and support here on the tabs. Simple as, all right, trading interface, super simple. They have BTC, Ethereum, XRP, US dollar. They have a bunch of cryptos here so you can trade with. Here on the left, you have where you are going to place your orders. Super simple, very similar to the competition. They also can support over 100,000 trades per second, which is very similar to the competition out there. And you can see that here you basically choose the percentage, your leverage up to 100x leverage, okay? As you can see here on the left, you can buy, sell, market. You do have your order book here at the right. And down below, your open positions, your position history, okay? Very simple, easy, friendly platform. Now here in wallets is where you can deposit and withdraw Bitcoin. You can deposit and you can also buy here with Visa or MasterCard, as you can see. And on settings, basically it's for your security or for your language. And you have also a referral program. And here in support, you have a live chat just in case you do have any issues. You can speak to someone directly. They will get back to you in less than 1 hour. I have tested this. And also you have video tutorials to learn more how to use this exchange. Okay, so really cool exchange, super easy, friendly guys. Remember, you got the link down below if you want to claim that bonus. Let's get back into the video. So far, so good. I got 3 major confluence here. I got the bump and run scenario. Okay, hitting major support. We can have that volatility. Let's see if we defend. We have big spike on the VPVR. Another thing that we can add is Fibonacci retracement from the ultimate low to the highs. We touched the 618, okay, dipped slightly below it. Let's see if we can consolidate at that 618 range, okay, which is in between, you know, these levels, all right, $40,000 range, plus minus a few $100s because of this insane volatility that this market gives us. This is going to be it for today's episode, guys. I just want to add up here, okay, the major support levels that we do not want to lose. If I zoom out here on the 4 hourly, of course, we do not want to come back down as low as 38.4 approximately around this range where we did create that low. We do not want to come as low as this level, because if we do, it will be very likely get broken. Okay, we are looking for that higher low, for the breakout here of this potential new uptrend. Now we are at the moment to create a higher low here. If we come as low as 38.4, guys, of course, I am not entering a trade at the moment. I want to see that consolidation, that reaction from the bulls to enter a trade here. But if we start coming back down, then we'll have to look at the scenario. If that happens, okay, we want to defend, you know, this 38.4k levels. We can have that volatility at the low 39k range, just like we've had here. But we need to defend this range, 618 levels, higher low, VPVR. Let's see if we can manage to continue to the upside, guys. If we drop down below, we will analyze the situation on the next video for some major opportunities. Thank you. Make sure to check out Bitcoinsensus website. We do have the latest news and technical analysis ideas, incredible articles that you can find out here. Link down below in the description. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.